Today's video is all about a super easy turkey feast. No brine, no fuss, easy to cook in the Masterbuilt. Okay, so we have 2 turkey breasts skin on. We're trying to crisp that skin up a little bit, get us some extra flavour and texture. We've got our garlic and herb butter. Obviously the recipe for that's in the description there. We've got some ground pepper and some salt. This is a pretty easy one. All we're going to do is try and warm up our butter a little bit. We're going to rub it all around front, back and sides of our turkey breast, that is. We're going to add a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper in the basket and then into the rotisserie to cook with our veg. Okay, time for some sides. So today we're going to do some honeyed carrots just with a little bit of chili kick. We're also going to do some Hasselback potatoes with garlic, rosemary, oil. Should come up quite nice in the Masterbuilt. The honey carrots, the sauce for it's butter, olive oil, honey, ginger. The full description, full recipe will be in the description below there. Okay. The carrots are really easy. All we're going to do is just quite literally just toss them all through and then into the cooker. Hasselback potatoes, we're going to cut them in half and we're going to slice little 2mm slivers into them. You'll see the technique. A set of chopsticks or a couple of skewers will make your life a bit easier. Yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so we've got our spit kit all installed on our Masterbuilt. We do have a video on the YouTube channel for that one. We've also obviously got it all up to temperature. We're running around 400 Fahrenheit. If it's your first time with a Masterbuilt and you're not sure how to get it all running, we've got a video for that as well. So next up, we're going to put our turkey breasts on along with our Hasselback potatoes and our honey carrots. The remaining herb butter we've got, we're going to stick underneath the turkey and we're going to just baste with that every sort of 10-15 minutes. We're going to give the Hasselback potatoes a good half hour in there. Then we've got a few extra ingredients to chuck in, and again we're going to baste every 10 minutes with that. The carrots, you just give them a quick toss around every once in a while. Should hopefully all come up to temperature at about the same time. Tasting time. Actually, I'm going to do a bit of a sandwich. Thanks for watching, guys. As you can see, it's all pretty easy. There's not a lot of steps to it. You just chuck it all in, let it do its thing. All the links and recipes are in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching, guys.